it's been a little while, but I am now in my uni house in Salford, and I just thought I would show you guys around. I've been here for a couple of days now, and yeah, this is kind of where we're living. So we've got these beautiful red sofas that kind of came with the house. We were very lucky that some of the furniture actually in here did come with the house. I'm sharing with 3 other people besides myself, so Holly, who's filming for you.
Hi, I'm behind the camera.
Joel, who's upstairs, and Kathy, who's away right now. In here, we've just kind of got like a toilet, like basic toilet, but it's got a shower in there as well. And then if we go through here, we've kind of got like, this is kind of where we store like our alcohol, because you know, uni students and all that. We've got just a fridge here, and like this kind of like empty space here that is actually here. I haven't actually looked in there at how many bags and stuff we've got in there. And it's like, oh my god.
It's such a mess.
It is. And then this is our kitchen. It's a bit of a bizarre shape, like it's kind of like a little L shape. So yeah, we've not got a lot of like work surface space, but we've got a little table here which I've not actually sat at yet to eat anything. Have you?
No, I haven't.
No, we normally just kind of sit and eat in there. We're all quite social, like we do like to sit in there, we don't really just take it up to our room and eat. And then this door here is Kathy's room. I'm not going to take it in there obviously, just because like privacy and all that. So when we came to view the house, this was advertised as our garden. It's not really a garden.
Barbecue out here.
Yeah. A concrete slab. Love it. But yeah, this is kind of like downstairs. It is a small house, but you know, we're just grateful to have a roof over our heads, and we're just really, really grateful that we've got our nice little house. I'll take you upstairs. Forgot that my slippers are on then. I'm probably like squishing around. So we've got this tiny little staircase. So once you get upstairs, you've kind of got the landing. So in here we've got Joel's room, which again I won't show you, and the bathroom, a lovely student bathroom. Sorry mum, we broke the Lucy.
We did, yeah, the Lucy is completely broken because I was fake tanning and I broke it.
Things in my student house that just make sense. Hi Joel! Hello! Joel, there you go, that's Joel's contribution. And then we've got another cupboard here that's, oh my gosh, that's so heavy. You can just see, again,
storage cupboard.
Just like nothing. In here is Holly's room. I won't take you to Holly's room.
Oh, you can have a sneak peek.
Oh, that's
it's
so
pretty messy.
Wow,
do you know how small it is? I've had to put all my clothes up
We
there.
did. She had a crisis, bless her, like, and all the wardrobe's full, all the drawers are full.
It's a very small room, but got everything in it.
Breathed in a flag. It's there. And then in here is my room. So you can come on in. So most of the stuff in here is actually from Dunelm. Dunelm is literally the go-to place. If you're a student, you get like a discount on it, so it's been really, really good. So this blanket here, this was from B&M. This duvet cover and these lights were actually from Amazon. And my mum very kindly made me these curtains here. They didn't actually come with the house. And then I've got this little desk here where I've just got my laptop and my desk lamp and photo frames that don't yet have any pictures in. This mirror here was actually from the range, and it was £22, and I just love it. Like, we both wanted it, the floor like mirror. I say we both wanted it. Holly did want one as well, but she's unfortunately not got enough room in her room. This little like drawer like cabinet, it's not a cabinet, I don't really know what it's called. That's been in our loft for years, so that's kind of like upcycled that. And then obviously just got my desk of drawers here. I've got my jewellery in here, and clothes, more clothes in here. And then I've got these storage boxes from B&M, and it's like where I've got like hair stuff in there, nail polish, like all sorts of things that a girl needs, you know. And that is basically it. Like I said, it is a small house, but we're just grateful to have a roof over our heads. And it's crazy, like, we're living in Manchester, like going into town is like Manchester. Yeah, we're loving it, we're happy, mum was safe. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Mwah!